Welcome. If you're new to Figma, it is common to leave the workspace and Google for images, icons, and elements generally when working on your design. This is not necessary. Figma has made it possible and easy to do within the workspace. This will save your time and make you efficient. In Figma, open to your file browser. On the left, scroll to Plugins. When you click on Plugins, this window will come up. You will see Featured Plugins, Popular Plugins, and Installed Plugins. According to the name, installed plugins are already on your system. Plugins are the way that Figma allows you to get any element or icon without leaving the workspace. Click on Browse All Plugins. In the list that comes up, you can search and install any plugin you need. For example, if you need a plugin for wireframing, search and you will see wireframing. Install it. After installing any plugin, it readily becomes available to you within the workspace. Click here and scroll down to Plugins. Here you will see wireframe. If you need any plugin within your project, click here, scroll down to Plugins, and you will see it. This list also shows you a list of available plugins within your Figma workspace. Figma saves you time and helps you be more efficient. Let's say you need high-resolution images. Click on Unsplash and search. If you need any kind of icon, click on Iconify. You can achieve any design within Figma with the aid of plugins. Thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tech-related information.